Video number 3. Why you should definitely get into the online t-shirt selling market today. Benefits. Teespring is all about selling t-shirts to generate profit. But if you don't know how it benefits you, here are the 10 benefits as to why you should go with Teespring. 1. Have an additional earning stream. Are you looking to get some extra income from other sources with less money and effort? Just set up a Teespring campaign to get huge success, to build your brand name and generate good profits. It is a chance for you to get more with less effort and make some extra money. Teespring can assist your business in becoming a best choice for your customers. You can also involve online marketing strategies such as Google AdWords, websites, social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and forums into your t-shirt campaign to boost your sales and income. 2. Make money with less effort. Every business takes a lot of effort to become successful. If you choose Teespring, you don't need to put additional efforts in order to make your campaign successful. You don't need to manufacture the t-shirts. With Teespring, you can design your own personalized t-shirts within a few minutes by following the simple steps and without any inconvenience. Here, you are your own boss. You only need to focus on t-shirt advertising to get more customers and profits. There is no upfront cost, and you can start with a little bit of money. 3. Sell as your own brand. Are you getting frustrated by your job or looking for extra income? Just start your own t-shirt business online in a popular Teespring niche and sell t-shirts with your brand name and become your own boss. T-shirts are the most pervasive apparel for everyone. Just become an affiliate of Teespring. Research your prospective buyers, look for a desired t-shirt design, and set up a campaign with a URL and brand name. After completing the process, you can launch t-shirts and advertise the t-shirt campaign online with social media, search engine optimization, and other internet marketing tactics under your brand name. 4. Limitless earning potential. With Teespring, you can generate good profit. It allows you to sell with your brand name as your own product. To boost your earnings with a Teespring campaign, you can advertise with different types of online marketing strategies and joint ventures. You can take advantage of social media networks, email marketing, affiliate marketing, joint ventures, and Google AdWords, etc. You also have PLR, private label rights, so that you can sell it as your own product. If you want to earn more with Teespring, you can repeat the ordering process until you want to run your own t-shirt campaign. 5. No time or seasonal constraints. In the apparel business, when the season changes, every marketer needs to get some fresh clothes because of the climate change. Most of apparel becomes out of fashion after a certain time, but Teespring allows you to design t-shirts that are absolutely profitable. T-shirts are always in fashion during each season. They make people feel free and comfortable. So you don't have to worry about fashion with Teespring because people like wearing a t-shirt every day, whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. Seasons do not affect your Teespring t-shirt business. 6. No startup cost. T-shirts are the most pervasive apparel for everyone. Before designing t-shirts, you need to find potential customers. Based on your business prospects, you then design t-shirts and start promoting them on your Facebook fan page and other social media without any upfront cost. Teespring is an entirely zero-expense way to create customized, attractive t-shirts, which is why marketers move into the t-shirt business with minimal risk, because they ship the t-shirts directly to the buyers. 7. Time saving. With Teespring, you don't have to be a manufacturer or hire a specialized artist to draft your t-shirt. Teespring makes it really easy to design customized apparel without having experience in designing. It saves you time because you're not the one manufacturing. You just need to choose a t-shirt, update the color, images, and text that you want, and order the t-shirt. This can be done within a few minutes. You can use the time saved for promoting your t-shirts. 8. No handling and transportation worries. With other apparel businesses, there is always a need for a person to supervise work and make sure that the product is managed properly and delivered to the destination. Teespring does these things for you, so you don't need to have an eye on anything. They are great in handling and delivering the product. Only you need to be specific with your work and design great selling t-shirts. 9. No efforts required to process orders. When purchasing anything, businesses need to track the product status all the time. But in the case of Teespring, you don't need to process orders or keep records. Just pick a design, add text and graphics, set funding goals, describe your product, and launch your t-shirt campaign. When the t-shirt is ordered, the company checks on printing and works on the transportation details to initiate the delivery process. After completing the process, t-shirts are delivered to the buyers, and you get your profit. You can continue this process if you want to sell more. 10. Don't need to offer customer service. Every business needs a customer support system to handle customer queries, feedback, reviews, and testimonies. If you do it by yourself, it can be too time-consuming. If you hire someone, it costs you money. Teespring campaigns assist you with customer support and FAQs. Within the FAQs, customers can find their answers. But if it's not answered there, they can contact them for their issues. Teespring FAQs have the information related to order tracking, shipping, info of buyers and sellers. And for other questions, they respond within 1 business day. Shocking facts. The U.S. apparel market is the largest in the world, comprising about 28% of the global total and has a market value of about $331 billion US. The online original design t-shirt sales industry has experienced exceptional growth of almost 25% annually over the last 5 years, with custom designed t-shirt sales exceeding $68 million. Over 2 billion shirts are sold each year, and with an average price of $20, that's $40 billion in sales. 62% of Americans claim they own more than 10 t-shirts and will continue to buy more. 600% is the average appreciation in the price of a t-shirt by the time it reaches first world buyers in love with American or European tags. Teespring.com reaches over 714,000 U.S. people monthly. Teespring's annual revenue now tops $100 million. Revenue that is generated by only t-shirt sales is $262 million. The annual growth of t-shirt sales is 21.2%. Teespring, one of the top t-shirt sellers in the U.S., printed more than 7 million shirts last year. Video number 4. The top 10 Teespring automation tools. 1. T-View. T-View Photograph joins together various t-shirt campaigns of Teespring from Google and Twitter by presenting and promoting them as a single platform. If you want to advertise and earn from t-shirt campaigns, you can sign up without any cost. After you log in, name your t-shirt campaign, add t-shirts, and start promoting. T-View separates your t-shirt campaign according to the latest update. Best selling ratio, best selling numbers, only goals reached, and only active. It is integrated with Mixpanel Mobile Analytics, which allows you to get detailed analysis about your t-shirt campaign. If you don't want to advertise some of your t-shirt campaigns, T-View can archive them. If you are not happy with T-View results, you can also cancel your account. 2. Audience Insights. Facebook Audience Insights is a terrific tool to discover your niche that you absolutely need to target. It helps you determine which audience is interested in your Teespring campaign according to demographics and geographical location. The greater Teespring insights you acquire, the better off you are when conveying your promotional message to your audience. You can look for a prospective audience that lives in your local area and target them according to their interests and last purchase to boost sales and brand awareness. Facebook Audience Insights analyzes your t-shirt campaign demographics, page likes, location, languages, and purchasing methods. You can learn about the audiences that are available on Facebook, following your page, and predefined similar audiences. 3. T-Profit. T-Profit allows you to create your own t-shirt campaign within 3 minutes. You can begin your t-shirt campaign by paying less than $1 a day. Look around, and you can download a new shirt every day at a low price and upload that to your Teespring campaign. It provides unlimited resale rights, complete access to the product, high quality and ready-to-upload designs. It also offers newsfeed graphics, a great Facebook ad copy, campaign-focused call-to-action graphics, and an online t-shirt editor to assist you in creating a targeted campaign by editing the t-shirt designs to help you stand out from others. 4. The T-Titan. The T-Titan is all about boosting your Teespring t-shirt campaign performance by using Facebook ads. Here are 4 tools that help marketers run a successful t-shirt campaign. T-Shirt Searcher. Discover unrevealed t-shirt ideas on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and other websites. Idea Maker. Automatically produce more than 100 convincing t-shirt layouts within 60 seconds. Auto Designer. Create a ready-to-upload PNG t-shirt design layout in seconds. Auto Model. Auto-generated Facebook ads to get low-cost clicks. At first, you need to opt for a secret niche. Then, create the t-shirt designs by using Idea Maker and shortlist the designs. Now build a t-shirt design with the help of Auto Designer. After completing the design, you can promote your Teespring campaign on Facebook with the help of Auto Model. 5. Google Analytics. Google Analytics can assist you in managing the presence of your Teespring campaign on Google. With Google Analytics, you can target your prospective audience based on their geography, language, device, demographic, interests, and behavior. You can get real-time analytics of each Teespring campaign and know your cost per acquisition, conversion, in-page analytics, traffic sources, referrals, and much more. You can also integrate your campaign with social media to enhance your campaign profits and boost your t-shirt campaign. 6. T-Ad Master. T-Ad Master is used to quickly create high-quality Facebook ads for your Teespring. It saves you time and money so that you can pay attention to the important things. It also offers A/B split testing to optimize the ads for every t-shirt campaign. T-Ad Master provides conversion-optimized templates to get higher click-through rates, model templates, and an elements library. It enables you to import your Teespring campaign in just one click. You need to follow 3 steps. First, opt for the Facebook newsfeed banner template. Second, upload your t-shirt campaign by embedding your Teespring URL and add a t-shirt image into the template. Third, you are now ready to advertise. Download the banner and upload it on Facebook Ads. 7. Facebook Ad Tools. To boost your Teespring campaign sales, Facebook is the best way to advertise your t-shirts. You can look for prospective audience and segment them according to their demographics, location, interests, hobbies, and other criteria. Many successful Teespring campaign owners make use of Facebook ads to advertise their t-shirts. There are 2 types of Facebook ads: newsfeed ads and right-side column ads. You should create a particular Facebook ads campaign for each individual Teespring campaign. You need to set your budget and ad position with a targeted approach. You can include many ads in a single ad set or create multiple variants of an ad to find the most effective. You just need to create an image, manage a Facebook page, and start promoting your Teespring products. 8. T-Inspector. T-Inspector is a dominant Teespring research software. It immediately reveals secret advantages and saves time with your Teespring business. Extract your Teespring t-shirt campaign data from TView, Google, etc., and categorize them according to the maximum sales to identify the top sellers. Now you need to look for promotional ads to drive traffic towards your Teespring campaign. You can quickly find hundreds of lucrative t-shirt designs. T-Inspector allows a hover preview that saves you time. You can also look at a campaign's real-time data preview with a click. T-Inspector is made with a Wanelo search tool to discover unique design ideas and a data achiever tool to analyze the daily sales of your competitors. There are some more tools such as logins and bookmark tools, databank tool, Bitly trackers tool, and FB code tool. FP Traffic notifies you about Teespring sales, so you do not need to refresh the page again and again to know the sales analytics. You will get a notification from FP Traffic when a sale is done. All you need to do is use FP Traffic extensions. Add those Teespring campaign URLs for which statistics you want to be notified and analyze. The extension shows a pop-up window with every sale, and it also defines how many shirts you sold after the last notification. You can use FP Traffic extension with Teespring Facebook page to expand your advertising area without any cost. 10. InstaViral. InstaViral is all about Teespring t-shirt designs with resale rights. To set up a profitable Teespring campaign, you need an ardent niche, great targeting, and superior quality t-shirt designs, and you will achieve all of these things in one package. In the InstaViral package, you will grab available-to-use niche-precise designs. T-shirt drafts are adaptable to make them absolutely exclusive. All designs are in PNG format so that you can directly upload them to your Teespring t-shirt campaign. Get premium designs and proven niches with ready-to-use Facebook ads that make targeted marketing a breeze. You can also be specific with your t-shirt designs, such as holiday-specific designs, 30 dog lover Teespring designs, 80 A to Z occupational Teespring designs, and more than 100 USA sports team designs.